All right, we are working here on Delta Math with my friend Aaliyah. She's going to help us. And Aaliyah has been working. You're almost done. You just have one more to do. This is this the second one? Go back to the assignment page so we can see which one we're working on. Is it the transversal problems with equations? Okay, so that's where we are. So let's go there. And we're going to be learning about this week. But basically, a transversal is just a line that crosses two parallel lines. M and N are parallel. And so what we have to figure out is the relationship of these lines and the angles that they make. So do you think that that angle that's marked 9x plus 9, Aaliyah, is it, so see the one that's right next to it. Can you see where I'm pointing? I don't know if that shows up to you. The one with the little dot on it. Those two angles would be supplementary. They would add up to be 180 degrees, right? But this one and this one, they're not supplementary. They're actually equivalent. Do you see how that one is just turned? So if we know that this angle is equal to this angle, what can we do? Here's a Yes, I sure wish I could hear you, Aaliyah. This music is very loud in this passing period. This is our musical interlude. My goodness.
9, 8,
7, 6, 5, 4,
3, 2, 1.
Yep. Okay. Whoosh. And we'll get into detail in class about how you know which angles are equal and which ones are which ones are supplementary. But for right now, we know that those two angles are equal. So we set them equal to each other. We set those expressions. And then, Aaliyah, what do I do first to solve?
You take 9 away. You do minus 9 on 9, and then you do minus 9 on 9.
Beautiful. So 7 equals 10 minus 9 is 1. So it's just x minus 10, right? So then how do I finish?
You take minus 10 or plus 10 plus 10 plus 9.
Perfect. So then 17 equals x. And that's all we have to do. And then when we did this, the first one, we put x equals something, but it says it doesn't want the x. It just wants the number. So let's put in the number, 17 there. Submit. Are you sure you want to submit? And we got that one right. So we're good. Now,
33%.
What's that?
I got 33%.
Because there's 2 more assignments. That doesn't have anything to do with how well you did on this. It just means you got some of them done. So let's keep going and let's do this one. This one is about, is this the third assignment or the first one?
I don't know. I'm looking.
Yeah, it's that one. Okay, let's do that one. This one is finding angles in a triangle. So what do you know about the 3 angles of a triangle? What do they always add up to be?
300. No, I don't know.
No, you're almost there. Half of that.
60 divided by 2.
Yep. In any triangle, the 3 angles add up to be,
180.
yeah, 1 plus 2 plus 3 equals 180. Okay, so let's use that. What's the one with the little box? How much is it? How many degrees?
90.
Perfect. So 90 plus 54 plus 5x plus 6 equals 180, right? All 3 of them equal 180. Now, can you think of a way to make this even easier? If I know that this is 90 here, and if I kind of just did away with that, it's kind of like subtracting that from here. We could say 54 plus 5x plus 6 actually equals 90. Because 90 and 90 would be 180, right?
Yeah.
So then let's just solve it like that. We could have left it the other way and solved it, but it works out fine this way. So let's combine 54 and 6. What do we get?
60.
60 plus 5x equals 90. And then what can I do?
Wouldn't you divide us as the last two numbers?
Absolutely. When I get to the end, that's what I'm going to do. But first, I've got to get this guy out of the way, right? So then that's going to be my next step, dividing. And that's 30, right?
Yeah.
So divide by 5, like you said. So x equals what? 30 divided by 5.
6.
Perfect. So in this one, and does it want you to put 6 degrees, or does it just want you? Oh no, x equals 6. So just put your 6. Beautiful. Great. So let's go to the next one. So tell me what you know and what you think we should do.
So you said it all goes to 180.
Yep.
And then you would do that, which would actually be 90, wouldn't it?
You know,
No, it doesn't have a right angle.
it doesn't. So we can't do that this time.
And you would do, didn't you subtract it from 180 from 64?
You could absolutely. I'm gonna write it all out first. So what you're saying is I could subtract, actually, couldn't I subtract the 78 and the 64 from 180 to kind of isolate that? So let's just do it like that. 7x plus 3. What is 78 plus 64? Let's figure that out first. Let's see, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Is it 142?
That's what I got.
So you're saying let's subtract that from 180. Could I also subtract that 3?
Yeah.
So it's really 7x plus 142, 43, 44, 45 equals 180. So then let's subtract that. I love what you were saying. Works perfectly. So 7x is equal to, what do you get here? 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, and finish it for me.
Okay. Oh, that would be 5.
Yeah, for real. 7, divide by 7. So x equals 5. Perfect. So go ahead and put that in. Just make sure we get it right. Perfect. And then let's do another one. And if people are watching this and it's too long, they can just fast forward to the part that they need. I think by now people probably understand it, so they might fast forward through this one. But so what are you going to set up here?
You would do 75 plus 49
Mm-hmm.
plus 7x plus 14
Equals?
equals 180.
Nice. Now what?
You can take 45 plus 49 plus 7.
Not 7.
Or 14.
Yeah, let's add those all together. 75, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Did you use a calculator by chance? And you can. I think there's even one built into the problem. Check my math. Make sure we got that right. Did I get that? Okay, good. And then we have 7x plus 138 equals 180. Now what?
You would take plus 138 and minus.
Mm-hmm. Excellent. So 7x equals, and I don't have any problem with calculators, although I don't think you need it. But you can use it if you need to check yourself. Divide by
Which was 7
Mhm.
or 6.
6.
Oh, wait, no, 7.
Yeah. 7 times 6 is 42, right?
Oh, I thought 49 and 7 times 7.
Yeah. So x equals 6. Perfect. And then notice you only have to do 3 of each of these. So it's a total of 9 problems, which seems like a lot, but it doesn't take too long once you get going. And then I think if you hit next problem, it's going to say congratulations. So now go back, and then we just have the first one to do. And I actually think you saved the easiest one for last. So when you have 2 parallel lines, and they said M is parallel, see up there where it says that M is parallel to N? That's what it looks like an 11. So when that's true, then we know some things. This angle right here and this angle right here, what do you think they are? Are they the same or are they supplementary?
The same.
Yeah, they're equal. So what does x have to equal?
180.
Nope. You said it was equal to the other one. It's equal to the
116.
Yeah, 116. So just put that in. This really is not hard once you know how to do it. So put that in for your answer, and let's do another.
Literally just it.
Yeah, that's it. That's all you have to do. You saved the easier one for last. I tried to put them in order so that this would be what people would do first. What do you notice? X and 132, are they the same or are they equal 180?
They're the same.
They're the same. So X equals. And when we're in class, I'll tell you what all those angles are called, vertical angles, all those different things. But for right now, just see what you can see. You can tell those are the same, can't you?
Yeah.
Yep. And you just did it. That's all. Now, go ahead and show everybody one more time how to submit this. Get my brain out of the way.
Take a screenshot.
Yep. What do I push to do that?
Control, and then you hit the button for the box with 2 lines.
Yep. Above the 6. Good. Screenshot. Did you do it?
Yeah.
No, you didn't. It should show up in the lower right-hand corner if you did it.
Yeah, I took a screenshot.
You did? Okay. I don't know why it didn't show up. So now go back into your Canvas.
We need to have a conversation on what constitutes a sentence.
Okay, hold on. I'm recording this. Hold on.
Okay, what?
So go into Canvas. I want you to show how to submit this.
I did. I didn't see it.
Well, how come I can't see it? Because you're sharing in a different way.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
I didn't share that tab.
That's okay. So, yep. There you go. Resubmit. And then choose the file. You took your screenshot. That's perfect. And then you just went in and hit submit. And that's wonderful. Aaliyah, thank you. I'm going to go ahead and stop recording. Do you have any final words for everybody?
I don't know. Just goodbye.
Goodbye and do a good job. Here, let me stop this. It's not letting me stop the recording. I'll stop it right here.